So it's me, Jurassic James, in the field again. And you probably always hear the term meandering in rivers and not quite sure what it means. Simply put, a meandering river is when a river turns and goes different directions. So if you look behind me, you can see Spring Creek coming in this direction and turning around that way. I can also tell you that further down the creek it goes the other direction. And the idea behind this is the water, like teenagers, look for the path of least resistance. So it's going to go this way, that way, that way. Now you're wondering what's the noise in the background. It's actually that pipe right there. When I first came to Jurassic James Park, my mentor Tom Hobbs has been coming here for 30 years, and he said that what I'm standing on now was with the trail going out that way. A flash flood happened years ago, and it kind of eroded away this area. In the 8 years I've been here, on and off, this was not exposed back then. So the idea is very simple, that was once encased in the sediment like this. A flash flood came through here, washed it away, and now it's just kind of pouring out right there. So the idea is very simple. You don't want to build your house like on a river or a stream because it will meander by its very nature. And in fact, some of the meandering can go so far out that the water can cut across and leave an Oxbow lake. So the idea is that the river will turn directions, going this way, and the flood will come out and go faster and leave the Oxbow lake behind. So that's why meandering is so important. That's why you don't want to build your house on the stream or river. It's kind of a dangerous thing. And again, this is a good example of this concept right here because I was here about 2 years ago, and now you can step out here, and that is too washed away. So we covered meandering, Oxbow lakes, and just generally not living in a river channel.